Welcome back. If you have large pores, the main cause of more than 70% is you. There is no doubt that skin pores are an important outlet for the skin. Fat cells come out of these pores, which are the first line of defense for the skin from bacteria, germs, and viruses. Fat cells also moisturize, soften, and protect the skin from wrinkles. However, due to certain causes, mostly caused by you, these sebaceous secretions increase more than normal, leading to enlarged pores and closing them due to the accumulation of dead cells in them, leading to blackheads, acne, and skin inflammation. This is due to several reasons, including eating a lot of sweets, sugars, and starches such as rice, bread, pasta, and potato chips. They turn into sugar in the body and are treated like sugars. All these foods increase insulin, male sex hormone, and androgen. There is a disorder in all hormones. The secretion of fat cells increases too much. Pores expand and dead cells accumulate in them, causing large pores, blackheads, and oily skin. The second reason is the frequent use of cosmetics, especially poor and low-quality types, and keeping cosmetics on the face for a long time or sleeping in them, because cosmetics close the pores and prevent the body from breathing. As a result, dead cells and fat cells collect, leading to large pores and oily skin. The third cause that most people fall into is deep washing or deep scrubbing of the face, which leads to the depletion of fat cells again and again. Every time you scrub the face, the fat cells come out again. Over time, all the fat cells that protect the skin are exhausted. Facial lines and wrinkles begin to appear, even when you are young. And now we'll talk about treatment. The number one treatment is to stop all the reasons we mentioned in the video, which are eating sugars and starches, using cosmetics, and facial scrub. Number two in treatment, we'll tell you some natural recipes that treat these problems. Our goal is to reduce pores so as not to harm our appearance, and to clean them at the same time. The number one solution is water and salt spray. It is one of the best solutions to clean the skin and reduce pores, especially for irritated and sensitive skin. You can make a water and salt spray at home. You bring half a spoonful of Himalayan salt, plus 100 milliliters of water. You spray the mixture on the place to be treated. It is one of the most powerful recipes for oily skin. The second recipe is to bring rose water. You need half a cup of rose water, add a tablespoon of natural lemon juice, also add a spoonful of fresh cucumber juice, put the mixture in the spray bottle, and spray this triple mixture on the area you want to treat. It is one of the strongest and best recipes for treating oily skin. The third recipe is to prepare a bag of tea, because tea contains a pore astringent that reduces pores. Put the tea bag in a cup of warm water for 2 minutes, add a tablespoon of rose water, and spray the mixture on the right place on your face. The fourth recipe is to prepare an egg and isolate the yolk from the white. Take only the white, then add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the white. Mix the white with the lemon and apply the mixture using a cotton pad or cloth to the place you want to treat. After an hour, wash your face with cold water. The last prescription to treat large pores on the face, but it is expensive, is to use some medical creams that narrow the large pores available in your country. If you are following us so far, write us in the comments your name and any questions you want. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to stay with us with everything new.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.